Okay, my people, today we're making this beautiful rice with bacon and onions. Some people also like to call this rice a cowboy rice. Cowboy rice. Rice with bacon and onions. So we're gonna start here with a caldero, a little bit of vegetable oil and olive oil. Yep, you heard it right, both vegetable oil and a little bit of olive oil in the mix. And then we're gonna add half an onion chopped like in little squares. So half an onion. We're gonna fry this over medium heat. Making sure it gets a nice translucent color. So we're gonna add some dark color here with soy sauce. Just a little bit of soy sauce like that. Salt and pepper to your taste. And we're gonna let these cook for a little bit until after it gets translucent. If you like this video, like the video and subscribe to my channel and pass it on to your friends and family. I'm gonna add bacon here. I'm using turkey bacon, but you can use any type of bacon. I'm using turkey bacon, high quality, low fat, about 12 slices of bacon cut like that in strips. I'm gonna add cilantro and sofrito and seasoning with color here. I'm using sazon Goya with coloring, so we will use that super color. I'm not gonna use tomato sauce for this rice. Some people do, I don't. But the color is gonna come from the sazon and the soy sauce. So I'm gonna let this fry here a little bit for about 3 minutes in medium heat. About 3 minutes medium heat. All that bacon and the onions. The onions are gonna disappear from there. I'm gonna pour the rice right on top of it. 3 cups of rice. I'm using medium grain rice. You can use brown grain if you like it. I like the medium grain. That's my preference, but you can use any type of rice. So right on the bacon before actually putting the water. So I'm gonna let that rice soak up that flavor first. Now I'm gonna add the 3 cups of water. So 3 cups of rice, 3 cups of water, and then the bacon and the onions in there. So I'm gonna make sure this all incorporated here. Get a good stir, and I'm gonna let it there. This is ready. At this time, you wanna taste it to make sure that it has your flavor. That's to taste. So for me, that's perfect. And I'm gonna just cover these, and I'm gonna do the first cook is gonna be 15 minutes. 15 minutes are almost low, but I also like medium low. Medium low, but a little bit leaning more towards low. 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, you open it up and you'll see that all the water is gone. I'm gonna just stir this around, take it away from the walls here, and I'm gonna just flip it upside down so the rice that was up down there is gonna go up now, and vice versa, the rice that was up is gonna be down. And I'm gonna just stir it like that, and I'm covering these again. You cover these again, and then it's gonna be low, the lowest setting, low heat for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So after the second round here, those 20 minutes, I just make sure that I keep it loose like that. I'm just keeping it loose like that, and this is just pretty much ready to be served and eaten. But you know what's missing here? Yeah, a nice piece of avocado. So I'm gonna split this avocado here in half. This is an avocado from Puerto Rico or Caribbean. This is not the typical Mexican avocado. Look at how beautiful it is, and I'm gonna use this for my serving here. So I'm gonna put some of this rice here on my plate. Look at how beautiful that rice, how soft those grains look. They're all, individual grains and not all sticking together. And that's how I will serve it. There you have the cowboy rice. There you have a cowboy rice with bacon and onions. There you have it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.